Dripping walls, echoes deep. The dungeon calls and shadows creep. A stream of water, a silver blade. Through the dark, my path is made. Heavy air, the scent of fear. But I press on, the end is near. Through the haze, I see the glow. A beast awaits in the depths below. Shower me in courage, cleanse my doubt. Through the labyrinth, I'll find my way out. With every drop, I grow stronger still. The monitor waits, but I'll break his will. Each step I take, the floor is slick. The maze alive, it plays its tricks. Steam is rising, my heartbeat pounds. The beast roar shakes the underground. A waterfall, a gleaming gate. The final test, my destined fate. With soaking hands, I grip my steel. The Minotaur knows that I'm the real deal. Shower me in courage, cleanse my doubt. Through the labyrinth, I'll find my way out. With every drop, I grow stronger still. The Minotaur waits, but I'll break his will. The rain falls harder, it fuels my fire. Through the storm, I'll rise higher. No chains can hold me, no beast can bind. In this downpour, my strength I find. Shower me in courage, cleanse my doubt. Through the labyrinth, I'll find my way out. With every drop, I grow stronger still. The Minotaur waits, but I'll break his will. The final blow, his roar fades out. The storm subsides, no more doubt. Through the dungeon, light pours in. Victory's rain falls from within. Shower me in courage, shower me in light. Through the dungeon storm, I've won the fight.